It's MAPS Executive Coach Aaron Simons here, along with my partner.
Hey everyone, Emily Baker here, MAPS Executive Coach, and together we co-lead the Mega Listing Agent. And today we're here to talk to you about how do you maximize lead sources to find more listing business today. And so, Aaron, there are 4 ways that you can communicate with lead sources, right? Tell us what those 4 lead sources are.
Well, number 1 would be over the phone, correct? Voice to voice. All right. What would number 2 be?
So number 2 would be face-to-face. You get face-to-face with these leads.
That's right. Number 3 would be digital, which would be social media, text, email, correct?
Yep, absolutely. And the last would be print, which would be door hangers, flyers, mailers, postcards, whatever that looks like for you. So a lot of times, Aaron, when we're talking to coaching clients and we have our top 5 lead sources identified for listings, right? We look and we go, well, where are you getting that? How are you maximizing? And sometimes we're calling expireds, or we're calling for sale by owners, or we're circle calling. And yet what we're not doing is we're not doing direct mail. We're not sending them something in the mail. We're not finding them on social media. I mean, how many people have social media nowadays?
Well, everybody does, right? Now, the point you're making here is sometimes as agents, we get stuck in maybe 1 or 2 ways to communicate. And that's only going to get us so far. So if we want to actually go out and get our unfair share, what I hear you saying, Emily, is we actually now need to look at all 4 ways to communicate and see where are we stopping, right? Where if we were to now pick up that 3rd or 4th way to communicate, we'd actually now be getting into more conversations.
Absolutely, because we know that what you focus on expands. And a lot of times we go, oh gosh, what are the other lead sources? I'm going to divert what I'm doing and I'm going to go pick up this other lead source, which sometimes comes with a skill gap, right? If you decide that you want to go target this market that you've never spoke to this kind of audience before, you have conversations over conversations. And so the fastest way is to really dive into those 4 ways and go, is it another lead source or is it another way to capture through communication? So
just to recap, right? The 4 ways to communicate: voice to voice, face to face, digital, and print. Look at which ones you're falling short on, and let's make sure we shore those up so you can be taking your unfair share.
Yeah, we trust that this is helpful. Go out, communicate, maximize your lead sources, and have a great day.